Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear learners, today I am going to conduct an English first paper class for the students of class 7. Our today's topic is, this is our revision segment. Okay, look here, in our revision segment today we will revise unit 6 lesson 5 question number 1 2. I repeat, in our revision segment we will revise unit 6 lesson 5 questions number 1 and 2. Dear learners, look here, this is our lecture number 16. I repeat, this is our lecture number 16 on our annual term syllabus in our revision segment. Dear students of class 7, in our question number 1 and 2, we know that in question number 1 there will be a scene passage, and on the basis of the passage we will have 10 MCQs. And in question number 2 we will have another scene passage. On the basis of this scene passage we will have 5 question answers. In these connections I request all of my students in our revision class. Let's go to board to check what will be our revision segment. So look here, at first we will read the passage. Though many of you know the passage, we need to read this again in our revision segment. So look, read the text first and choose the best answer to the following questions from the alternatives given. I have taken this from unit 6 lesson 5. So look at the very much common name. Jishan, Julie and their parents, Mr. and Mrs. Arif Khan, got into a first class compartment at Kamlapur railway station. It was Dewanganj bound Tista Express. The train left at 8 o'clock. So look, the train left at 8 o'clock. Jishan saw that the departure time on the big timetable at the station was 7:30. So look here, the train left at 8 o'clock. Jishan saw that the departure time on the big timetable at the station was 7:30. So look, 8 o'clock one point, another point is the exact time was 7:30. So we will go to later. However, the train was running quite fast. The children sat by the window beside their parents. The compartment was half empty, that means half full. Yesterday, Julie downloaded a beautiful poem on a train journey by Robert Louis Stevenson. She took a printout of the poem. Now, while looking out of the windows, she found similarities between the poem and real scenery. She took out the poem and began to read. Dear learners, now we have finished our revision portion. Now we will go to MCQ part. So look here, now choose the correct answer to each questions from the alternatives given. So look, I have given here 10 MCQs. Number 1 at first, which one of the following words has a similar meaning of get into? So look at the word get into. Get into means, so at first we will look at the options. Number A, out, no. Number B, leave, no. Number C, obtain, yes, we can consider. Number D, reject. So dear learners, look at the word, it is get into a first class compartment. That means we obtained. That means option number C is the proper answer, obtain. Get into means obtain. Now MCQ number 2, the train left at 8 o'clock. Look, the train left at 8 o'clock. Here it will be SERA. Here leave means, so look at the word LEAV. So look, leave, very common word meaning, leave means. Number A, arrive, no. Number B, quit. Number C, receive. Number D, earn. So leave means quit or means to depart. So look, number 3 MCQ, Jishan saw that the departure time. What does departure mean? Look at the word departure. Departure means A, arrival, no. B, returned. C, come back. And D, number exit. So look here, departure means exit. Departure means exit. Now MCQ number 4, which one of the following words has a similar meaning of the beak, of the word beak? Look here, beak. A number is small, no, the opposite. B number huge, yes, we can consider. C number little, and D number trivial. Trivial means a small thing. That means big represents here huge, giant. Now MCQ number 5. Which one of the following words has a similar meaning of the fast? Look here, fast, fast. A number slow, no. B number quick, yes, we can consider. We can think about this. C number quiet, and D number unhurried. That means option number B is the proper answer. That means fast means quick. Fast means quick. Number 6. Which one of the following words has a similar meaning of the empty? Very easy. Full, no. B number complete, no. C number whole, no. And D number vacant. Yes, this is our expected one, it is vacant. Now number 7. Which one of the following words has a similar meaning of the take? So look here, number A, leave, no. Number B, receive, yes, we can consider. Number C, refuse. Number D, lose. Okay, take means here receive. Take means receive. 8 number MCQ. The train was late by. In these connections, we need to go to our next page. The train was late by. So look here, A number 8, B number 1 hour, C number half an hour, and D number 7:30. So look here, the train was late by. So here we have seen, that means the exact time was 7:30, but it was left, or it left 8 o'clock. That means half an hour. That means 30 minutes. That means option number C is the proper answer, half an hour or 30 minutes. Now MCQ number 9. What was the name of the writer mentioned in the passage? A number William Black, no. William Wordsworth, no. C number Robert Browning, no. D number Robert Louis Stevenson. Okay, look here. A Train Journey by Robert Louis Stevenson. From the passage we have come to know, that means it was written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Our last MCQ. So look here, MCQ number 10. The compartment in which Ji-san and his family members sat was. So look here, it was a quite full, no. B number half full, yes, we can consider. C number almost empty, and D number very crowded. So look, it is written half full or half empty. That means option number B is the accurate answer or proper answer. Dear learners, we have finished our MCQ segment. Now we will go to another passage, and after finishing this passage we will have 5 question answer. So look, very easy. Read the following text and answer the questions. It was Ji-san's grandparents' house in the village. The night sky was clear. The night sky was clear. The full moon was shining brightly. All the family members had delicious supper and sat in the yard. Ji-san's cousins Jihad and Shima were very excited. They are the same age. They were also studying at a village school. Their grandparents gladly joined them. They were sitting on a bamboo mat. Everybody feel relaxed or comfortable. They were talking, laughing and joking. So look here, what are they doing here? What were they doing? They were talking, laughing and joking. The children's voices were the loudest. Jahid described how he played for his school in the Upojala inter-school tournament. What sports do you take part in, Ji-san's? Asked Jahid. Ji-san could not answer. There was no playground in the school and around his house. Shima also told them how she earned the first prize for 100 meters sprint in her school, an annual sports. So look here, she sang a beautiful Vavaya. Look at the word Vavaya. Everybody clapped their hands in delight. Julie's aunt, Mrs. Jahanara Khan, told some funny jokes that made them laugh their head off. The family gatherings went on far into the night. So dear students, so look here, we have finished our reading passage of question number 2. You have already learned this, or you have read this in our regular classes. Now we will go to question answer. Now write answer the following questions in your script. So look here, look at the first questions. Where did Ji-san's grandparents live? So if we go to passage again, we will get a clear answer. It was Ji-san's grandparents and they lived in a village. So look here, Jishan's grandparents lived in a village. Dear learners, one important thing, look at the word did. Mind it, whenever the questions will be in past simple form or past indefinite, your answer will be also in past indefinite, past form. Okay, that means Jishan's grandparents lived in a village. Lived, past form. Nobody will write in simple present form. Number 2, where did Jishan's cousins study? Look at the word did also. Where did Jishan's cousins study? Answer, Jishan's cousins studied at a village school. Number 3, how did they feel? So look here, past form. They felt very excited and relaxed. 4 number, what were the children doing? Answer, the children were talking, laughing and joking. The children were, so look here, they were talking, laughing and joking. Last question answer. So look here, why did everybody clap? Everybody clapped. So look at the word clapped. Double PED. Okay, double PED. Everybody clapped their hands in delight because Seema sang a beautiful Bhavaya or Bhavaya song. So with these questions, we have finished our question number 1 and 2. Dear learners, one important thing, from today, the new information is that in our YouTube class there will be no SW. From class 6 to 8 there will be no SW from our YouTube class. You will have an assignment. So in our next classes, I will inform you further what will be your assignment, how will you submit your assignment, each and everything regarding your assignment. And keep practicing this. I hope all of my students of class 7 have enjoyed this revision class. Finally, abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.